You see the duck, Zach? Say, can you say hi, ducks? Are you saying hi to the ducks? Oh, look at those ducks coming, Zach. Hi, ducks. Oh, yeah. Look at the ducks, Zach. How did the ducks go? Wow.
No kicking, no kicking. Be nice.
Hey.
Hi. We don't have anything, buddies.
Say what's wrong with you?
I don't see a oh, there's a machine over there. Mommy has a quarter. We could throw some stuff in there.
Mommy didn't bring no quarters. I should have though. We'll get some change.
Yeah, we'll get some change.
Okay, bye, ducks.
Oh, she ran right over the baby.
Oh.
I got that.
Hi, ducks. Aw, we're pretty ducks. Hi. Hi, ducks. Here comes a baby Zach. Okay. Here we go.